What's up, guy? Have you guys wonder where have I been yesterday? So yesterday I donated my blood. So our topic today is blood donation. Blood donation is occurs when a person voluntarily has blood drawn and used for the transfusions and or made into the blood conducts and biopharmaceutical medications by the process called fractionation separations from the whole blood components. Donation a donation may be of whole blood or of specific components directly. Blood banks often participate in the collection process as well as conduits that follow it. So why should we donate our blood? Save blood, save lives. Blood is needed for a woman with a complications during pregnancy and childbirth. Children with a severe anemia often resulting for the Maria malnutrition and accident victims from surgical and cancer patients. Basic content needed for regular supply and blood because it can start for only for a limited of time before use. Regular donation sufficiency of number of healthy people is needed to ensure that blood will always available whenever and wherever it is needed. If you want to donate your blood, you have to follow in these conditions at the age with people are invaluable to give blood varies, but it's commonly between the ages from the 17 to 65. Some countries accept donation from the people at the age of 16 and extend the upper number limit beyond 65 years. Healthy adults can give blood regularly at least twice a year. Your local blood service can tell you blood frequently you can give your blood. You should not give your blood if your own health may suffer as a result. The first concern of the blood service to ensure that blood donation does not harm to the blood donor. You should not donate your blood if you're feeling unwell, you are anemic, you are pregnant, have been pregnant within last year, or breastfeeding. You have certain medical condition which might have you unsuitable for donor. You are taking certain medications and such as antibiotics. So this is the end of our year today. So see ya tomorrow. Bye bye.